My name is Laura Shield. I'm halfway through my master's class. Um, right now, I'm glad I'm taking this class now. I deal with seniors, a group therapy in my internship. We have a lot of seniors that want to discuss sex, a lot of sexual problems that they've had, and I think that is a huge part of um, the way they, what they're facing now. And like I said, they want to talk about sex, and I want them to have that opportunity to approach it and talk about it. So that's one reason I'm doing that. The second reason is at some point I would love to do something with human trafficking. Um, I There's different areas that I want to focus on and hopefully help people get off the streets for a while. Know there's something better there than they're experiencing now. So that's a really a good thing that I'm trying to experience. Hopefully after this class. Um, the last thing is I want people to just listen. I want people to not judge. No victim shaming. Um, that's very important. A lot of people, they talk about the way they dress and the way they smile or they flirt or whatever. That doesn't mean that it's okay to abuse them. And so that's another. So I want you to understand. I just want you to just pay attention, listen to the whole story before you make any comments. And that's pretty much it. So I will. Hopefully, I'll talk to you guys soon, and see you.